Okay, we're having fun here tonight playing with the paint pouring kit made by Alleyvision.
Should
And you want to talk a little bit about what you've tried so far? You have 1 cup.
Yeah, I had one cup with like sort of a watery, oceany kind of look for water, and then another for plant and vegetation, brown and yellow and green and whatnot palettes. So I'm trying to kind of mix these palettes,
It's
But
beautiful.
it could also be sky and earth too, either way.
No,
So it just depends how it all sorts out, right?
I love this Heather Alley's paint because it has a lot more intensity, and see how it's holding the shape.
And you want me to?
You want to try tilting it and see what happens? See how different this paint is. Oh, we're going to heat it up too. Let me just get the torch here. Is it moving?
A little.
Yeah, I think we should add in some water. All right, let's see what's happening here. Let's try torching. Oh, how beautiful! Look at that.
Now, does the torching make it move better?
It heats it up. I'm going to turn that fan off over there, because I think that's working against us. But look at the beautiful patterns of the colors. This is a very nice pigmented paint. The intensity. Now you can try moving it more and adding some white in the areas that are next to your paint.
Where's the white?
Yeah, that'll be fun to see what happens.
Next to the
Up on
paint?
the edge, to see if you get some movement that you can manipulate. Ooh. You can put that in the places that are sort of empty and see what happens. And then try, if you want to try the, the tilting. Once you get all that white in there, I think you're gonna. And you can also use these to move paint around, as long as you.
Well, it's tilting, but I don't want to lose
Yeah.
a bunch of this paint. See, this is moving. This isn't. See what I mean?
Yeah, I wonder why.
Like the blue is just moving a lot faster, so.
Ooh, that's pretty. I'll give you some paper towels too. You can use this to wipe off that. This is here for to wipe off your palette knife, or you'll drag the colors in there. It makes it muddy.
I don't like the way this came out as well.
You can add white to it at any point. See how beautiful? See, the good thing about this paint is you have a lot of work time. So if you want to change an element, I'll leave this here. Anytime you want to wipe it off, it's right here. I wonder if the white needs more water. Does it feel like it's too thin? Very cosmic. I think if some thinner white, where did I put the white? Will help.
This way?
I think it's too thick. Does it feel too thick?
I don't know.
I'll just put a little water and see what happens. You can try blowing it too. Let me just stir this up.
I kind of like the way it's looking so far.
Yeah, I like it too.
I need to...
The spaces that are empty, you may want to do it like this. Just add some white if you want to.
I don't see any real white on the edge, you mean?
If there's something that you want to add it in, with, as long as you get the paint off that,
Oh.
you can just use this to put it in there like that.
Just with the stick?
Yeah. It gives you a little more control of what's missing.
Oh, sorry.
Well, I like the feeling of it.
See, this is the areas that are like not... I don't know that there's any white. Yeah, there's white.
The other thing is you can always go back with white at the when it's dry.
Ah, here's a big empty space.
Yeah, see how it gives you the option. I like this paint because it doesn't lose the edge. Yeah, it has a lot of contrast and power. So the kit is great because the colors are already mixed. Beautiful. You can use the whole stick too on its side, or there's some more petal knives. She's put them in the kit. Yeah, this big one is fun.
I like the way this turned out so far, though. I don't think I really want to do too much more to it.
I think it's gorgeous. Well, there we are. Heather Alley, thank you for your great paint pouring kit.
Woohoo!
I think it's like a Peter Max thing.
Oh, wait a minute.
I really like it.
Gotta get some of that. It's hard to see where there's no...
Yeah, you have to go up on the side. But you still have painting time, which is good. Some of my paint set up too quick and I can't do that.
I got that.
See, there's a hole right there. You might wanna... We did put a little silicone in some of it. Oh, maybe not. And you can blow on it too and see how that...
I don't know that I want to. I like it like this.
Okay. All right, so...
I mean, the kind of kelpy look.
Yeah, no, I think...
The ocean.
Oh, it's gorgeous. I think it's beautiful.